Good evening everyone. Here I am going to share a PowerPoint presentation on online income tax return filing. By this online procedure, any individual can file online income tax return. This procedure can be done along with India in different cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Gurgaon. This will assist in filing income tax return for salaried business professionals NRIs. Just make your payment and relax. This online system will do all the calculations for you. It will fill cumbersome income tax forms for you. It will help in ensure maximum refunds and tax saving through proper tax planning. To file online income tax return, we have to visit the website, that is www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in, the link which is shown in the top of your computer screen. The first time user have to register themselves by clicking on the Register Now option. The users who are already been registered, to continue the login procedure, they have to provide user ID, password, date of birth and the CAPTCHA code which will shown on the image dialog box. After giving users account information, a page like this will open on your computer screen. To proceed to the submission procedure of online ITR, we have to click here on E-File tab and select the option, that is Prepare and Submit Online ITR form from the drop-down options of E-File. In the submission form of ITR, we first have to provide our PAN number. And from the section of From Name, we have to select ITR1 option from the drop-down button. Before selecting form number, we should have a proper idea about the ITR forms. So let's just have a look on the ITR form details. ITR form number 1, if you have income from salary and pension and from other sources. ITR form number 2 is for individuals or Hindu undivided families, that is HUF, with income from all heads, applicable to ITR 1. ITR 3 is for an HUF or individual who fulfills the criteria for ITR 2. ITR 4 is for individuals with income from business or profession. ITR 4S is for individuals with income from presumptive business. So, after the form number selection, we have to give proper assessment year. That is the income earned in the corresponding financial year. When the all desired field will complete it, then we have to click on the Submit button. In this slide, we are going to display the procedure to fill up the personal information accordingly. It will include your income details, taxes paid, verification deduction details. While we are filling all the information details, we must not forget to save the data frequently. So here, first come into the personal information section. Give correct personal details. The ITR form needs both your physical as well as email address. Ensure that a valid and functional email ID is provided in the form. If you are staying in a rental accommodation or a hostel, avoid mentioning that address on the form also. If you miss filling in one number or character of your permanent account number, the form cannot be processed. Must need to save all the data as what we have filled. After this, in the bottom of the page, we have to click on the Next button. In the income portion, we have to put our gross salary. Mention the income from one house property if have, and mention if you have other sources of income. In the below section, interest from the sources of the bank, it should be disclosed, or NSC certificates also be disclosed. Deduction for investment made under 80C, 80CCC and 80CCD is restricted to rupees 1.50 lakh with effect from assessment year 2015 to 16. Income of spouse or minor child may have to be clubbed with the income of taxpayer. Be cautious while calculating surcharge and education cess. Safely fill all relevant documents for future need. Double check all the key information like PAN number, bank account details, communication address, etc. After filling the deduction portion carefully, total income will be calculated automatically. In the income portion, we have to put our gross salary that we have already put it in the previous slides. In this page, next the tax computation part will go on. After filling all the above portions successfully that were displayed on the previous slides, total tax payable including of educess, surcharge and interest will calculated here in this page automatically. Then on the next button we have to click to proceed to the next page. In this slide, we are going to see the tax details part. Your TDS credit amount on salary and non-salary both will be available in this page. We have to select it as per our preferred option. Now, if you have already paid your tax, then the details of your advance tax payment will be shown here automatically. In this slide, we are on the taxes paid and verification process. In the topmost portion, we are able to see the amount of net tax payable or refundable. Next, we have to put our all bank details properly. All bank details include bank name, IFSC code, bank account number, account type, this kind of relevant informations. Again, here we don't need to forget to click on save and draft copy before submit and then click on submit option. After successful submission of all the data, we can either download acknowledgement ITR-V and after signing the document, send the acknowledgement to CPC Bangalore address as mentioned in the ITR-V itself. Or instead of sending this acknowledgement to the above said address, we can e-verify it through net banking or your Aadhaar number. Here, in the acknowledgement receipt at the topmost portion, we will get our acknowledgement number. In the download or status description portion, we have to click for download ITR-V. After click on the download button, ITR-V will shown in the bottom of your desktop as a downloaded PDF file. We have to click on that file to open it. To open the PDF file, you have to ask to provide your PAN number, date of birth in lowercase and with no any punctuation. So, it is the total PowerPoint presentation that how to submit income tax return filing online. Just follow the procedure accordingly, and to get more relevant information on these topics, you can also refer to our website, that is www.helpmybees.in, your friendly neighborhood tax office. Thank you.